What I've got here is the iDock C20 by AV Access. It is a dual monitor docking system that handles two laptops at the same time. So we're gonna unbox this and I'm gonna set it up. I've got my two monitors, two laptops going, and we're gonna check this thing out. So unboxing first. Let's see what we've got in the box. All right, we have a little user manual. Of course, we have the dock itself. I'll come back to that in a minute. Let's see what's in this box. Okay, so nice. We have one USB-C to USB-C cable for a laptop. We have two USB-C to USB-C cable for going to your laptop. And we have the power supply. So it provides the dock, two USB to USB-C cables, and the power supply. Let's take a look at this dock. Here's what the dock has for connections on the back. It's got Ethernet, power, two USB 3.0s, two HDMI outs, two regular USBs, a CTL jack, and your USB-C ends for your laptops. On the front, it has two USBs for your peripherals, such as your mouse and keyboard, headphone jack, SD card reader, USB-C in, and then the button to switch between your laptops. It's pretty easy setup. You just hop down here, plug everything in. I can drag this over to this screen. I can drag it over to this screen. I can drag it down to this one down here. Just switch back over to the other computer. Just flip the switch. 1, 2, 3. 3 seconds, and everything has switched over for me. And now I'm good to go over here. This really makes things a lot easier if you're running a two laptop setup. You just hit your switch and within about 3 seconds it switches over. And I really like that my mouse and keyboard switches with it. Video editing, dedicated video editing laptop, admin laptop, Microsoft Excel, and all my admin stuff. This is a really clean setup. It works well. I'm going to really enjoy using this.